Step-by-step, unblock F1 Television Pro for Belgian GP 2026 with Nord Virtual Private Network. 1 requirements. Active 1. Television Pro subscription or create one. Nord Virtual Private Network installed on your streaming device, Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, Fire Television or router. Updated F1 television app or browser. 2. Choose a supported country. Use a country where F1 Television Pro is sold. Common reliable choices: Netherlands, Belgium, Poland, or another EU country. 3. Connect Nord Virtual Private Network. Open Nord Virtual Private Network and connect to a server in your chosen country, preferably Netherlands or Belgium. Use a recently tested or optimized streaming server if available. 4. Prevent location cookie leaks. Enable Nord Virtual Private Network's kill switch. Disable or clear location permissions in your old browser. Clear browser cookies. Cache or open a private incognito window. Disable WebRTC in your browser or use a browser extension that blocks WebRTC leaks. 5. Sign in and verify purchases. With Virtual Private Network active, open F1 Television website or app and sign in. If you subscribe through an App Store app or Google, use the app and use Restore Purchases in account settings while connected to the Virtual Private Network. This can relink your subscription to the app. 6. If you see job log or error, disconnect and try a different server in the same country. Try an adjacent country where F1 Television Pro is available. Netherlands, restart the app device and clear caches. 7. For TVs and devices that don't run Nord Virtual Private Network on your router, or use the Nord Virtual Private Network app on a compatible streaming device, Fire Television, Android Television, Apple Television, via router. Alternatively, share a Virtual Private Network connection from a PC or phone hotspot. 8. Performance tips. Use a server with low latency and enough speed, 8 megabits per second for HD. Prefer Ethernet or strong Wi-Fi. Close other heavy apps. 9. Legal to S note. Using a virtual private network may violate F1 Television's terms of service. Broadcasters may block virtual private network IPs. Follow local laws and service terms.